Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside of Meijer and I'm slightly feeling better. I got my really old bag of cough drops to go along. And I know this is not the kind we coupon for, but this is literally my favorite brand. It's like the brand that works the best for me. I really wish Halls worked for me really well because we get those all the time, but they just, I don't know, they just don't seem to work for me at least. But I had to see if these were expired yet because I feel like I've had this bag forever and they're not expired yet. Soon, but not yet. But we are outside of Meijer and Meijer has the buy 5 save 5 going on right now. Plus there's a lot of other promotions that we're gonna go over in store. They have like the PG deal still good. They have there's a Huggies deal. I'm not gonna go over the Huggies deal just because it's not that good. But if you do need Huggies, there's buy $75 worth, get a $28 Catalina. So I mean, it's not the best deal. We see that deal all the time. And there's like a Cottonelle deal, there's Lysol, there's a lot we're going to talk about in store. So without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. So easy, great 50% off sale, well, clearance sale is on these Prime hydration sticks. They are 50% off, like I said, so they're just $9.99. Now I know this isn't the best deal, but this is a great example of how to or like manage your savings. So these are normally $9.39. They aren't that much cheaper at Walmart, I don't think. But with the buy 5 save 5, you can grab them for a decent sale price. Now we don't normally get coupons or anything like that on these, so now would be the time to like grab these, stack up on as many as you need depending on how much you eat and everything. So this is a freebie when you're doing the buy 5 save 5. So this specific Crest 3D White Advanced Hydrogen Peroxide, this specific one is part of the buy 5 save 5 for $3.99. We have a $4 digital coupon that will adjust down, making this completely free. So the Dial body wash is part of the buy 5 save 5, so it'll be $2.98, part of that promotion. Submit to ibotta for $1, making it $1.98. We also have the Dial hydration or healthy hydration ones, part of that promotion. And guess what, guys? Guess what I just got not too long ago? You know what I got. So using one of these, I'll pay the 98 cents. I'll submit to ibotta for $1.50, making it a 52-cent moneymaker just on this product alone when buying 5 products. So if you can find some of these, I found them at Walmart. I looked here, don't worry. I looked for you guys. They're not here at Walmart. Maybe Target would have these too, but 52-cent moneymaker on this. So there's some good clearance going on. Well, there's 25% off, but we have a fantastic deal on Nivea if you like it. So it's on the skin firming lotion. So this one is part of the buy 5 save 5, and this one is on sale for $5.99 when grabbing the 5 items or more. You'll submit to ibotta for $2, making this bottle $3.99, which is great because it's originally $10.99. So the U by Kotex liners, this is the 64 count, but you can grab any ones that are $3.99. We have a $1 digital coupon, so you pay $2.99 at the register, submit to ibotta for $1, making them $1.99 for the box, so it's 50% off. So the best pet food deals this week is on the I Love You brand, so they are 20% off depending on which one you grab. There's a couple different prices. And then we have I think it's $4 digital coupon to stack on with that, so you can grab some good savings. There isn't any ibotta rebates. Unfortunately, I was hoping that there would be. Once during Blue Moon, there will be both, and it stacks perfectly. So I'm wait and hope. We also got digital coupons for the dog food. I believe there's one for the smaller bag and then one for the larger bag, and they are the 25% off as well. So you can grab some amazing savings by stacking some promotions with other promotions. What do I mean? So this Finish Powerball is part of the buy 5, save 5, and it also stacks with the spend 30 for Lysol and Airwick. You'll get $10 off. That's a store coupon that you have to clip in your account if you haven't done it already. That does expire at the end of the week, so this is the last week to utilize that coupon. A great way to stock up for the holidays on paper products is now when Meijer has like the buy two, get one free, especially if you know you're going to be hosting for the holidays and everything. You can grab some great savings. Yes, sadly, I have to talk about the holidays. They're right around the corner. If you haven't started saving money or getting gift ideas, now is the time to really start thinking about it. Another way to stack promotions is right now we have this PG spend 50 get $15 off. If you haven't done that, you can also stack that with this, which is buy $20 worth of Bounty, Charmin, or Puffs. You'll get a $5 Catalina for your next visit. So the first product for that you could grab is like these Bounty paper towels that are $11.79. You're going to grab the 6 box puffs for $9.94. Then you're going to grab one of these 6 equals 36 Mega XL Charmin for $10.69. Next, we're going to grab a Gain liquid that's on sale for $9.99 and then a Gain flings for $9.99. Then lastly, a Gain Scent Shakes for $9.99 on sale. So for this example, these are all the 5 products I would grab: the Puffs, Charmin, and 3 Gain, just to make it easy. So total for just the Charmin and the Puffs is $28.63. So we're over that spend 20 to get the $5 Catalina. Then to meet the requirement of the PG, spend 50. We have $50.60 total worth of products. So for digital coupons, I have $1.50 for the Puffs, and then we have $1.50 only for you coupon for the Charmin, which may or may not come off. It's not attaching in the app, so I'm not sure. I'm just going to assume it is. Then we have a $3 digital coupon for the Gain, $3 digital coupon for the Gain, and a $3 digital coupon for the Gain. So after the $15 spend 50 also comes off, we'll be left to pay $23.60. We'll get the $5 Catalina to use on our next transaction or next time, making it all 5 products $18.60. Arm & Hammer Scent Booster, these odor blasters, are part of the buy 5, save 5 for $2.99. Now, tons of other Arm & Hammer products are $2.99, but you have to have the $2 coupon previously clipped, and this is the only one I previously clipped because I was trying to make it attached to the clearance item, but it wasn't. But it'll make this just 99 cents if you have it clipped, or there's power packs that are part of that $2.99 deal as well. So we have a hot deal that I'm going to try to put together with the buy 5 save 5. So I'm going to grab 3 of the Lysol wipes. I did this deal in my breakdown to grab 3 and 3 because I like groups of 3, but as long as your total is over $30 for Lysol, you can grab whatever you want, mix and match. But I honestly I like things in 3s. I don't know why. But we're going to grab 3 of the Lysol wipes. They're originally $5.99 and now they're part of the buy 5 save 5 for $3.99. Then we're going to grab the Lysol all-purpose cleaner. It's originally $4.29 and part of the buy 5 save 5 for $2.99. Lastly, we're going to grab one of these Airwick starter kits that is $3.99. So these would be all 7 products you would grab. Our total is roughly $30 some. I forgot the math already, guys. I'm so sorry. But we have a 75-cent digital coupon for the Lysol and a $3 digital coupon for the Airwick, plus the 10 spend 30 get $10 off. So that means our final total for all 7 products will be $11.18. Alright, y'all, if you like ramen noodles or pho, check your area. We have some clearance going on. It looks like they're about half off right now. So this is just a personal fave, but I love the Velveeta mac and cheese. It's part of the buy 5 save 5, so it'll be $1.89 per box, which I feel is not that bad of a price. There's a good deal on the Knorr rice and pasta cups if you like them. They're on sale for $1.99. You'll grab 2 of them for $3.98. We have a $2 digital coupon, so you pay $1.98. You'll submit to Fetch Rewards for 500 Fetch points per cup, so we'll get $1 back from Fetch, making both cups just 98 cents. So we have a decent part of the buy 5 save 5 for the Tyson chicken. You're going to look for the ones that are priced at $6.49, part of that deal. And then we have $3 on ibotta, making it $3.49 per bag. All right, we're back in from checkout, and I did 2 separate transactions. I wanted to do the Lysol spend 30 deal on its own, just to make sure everything would go through just fine. So that's what I grabbed first. So as you can see, I grabbed the Airwick, and then I forgot to show you my cart, guys. My bad. But anyway, so I did the Lysol deal. So the Airwick here, you can see the $3 coupon, and then these are the other Lysols. I decided to grab the ones with bleach instead. I switched it out. Same price, same difference, doesn't matter. Yeah, oh, there it is. And then here is that 75-cent coupon. Then we have, sorry, my nose is kind of stuffy now. Then as you can see down here, the $10 coupon, the store coupon, did come off. So my subtotal was $11.18. So that's what I had to pay. Of course, you can always use gift cards or whatever to lower your out-of-pocket, pay however you want. Then for the other deal, I did another buy 5 save 5. So, oh my goodness, I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, there it is. Okay, so I grabbed for this buy 5, I grabbed three of the Tyson chicken, the toothpaste, the Dial body wash, and the Arm & Hammer. So this is the Dial body wash. You can see the dollar came off for the buy 5 save 5. This is, can't read, oh, the toothpaste. So instead of taking $1 off, it took 99 cents off because of the $4 coupon. I don't really care. It was free regardless. So maybe, I don't know how it looks like. Instead of taking the dollar off, it just took 99 cents off. So regardless, it would have adjusted on the coupon or the dollar. Then we have the 2 Knorr rice cups. You can see $1 came off of those. They're not part of the buy 5 save 5. Then we have, I can't read backwards, the Arm & Hammer $2 coupon came off, and these are the Tyson chicken, so $1 came off of each one. And then we have that $2, that's the hang tag that I used for the Dial. That's how they could show up. So my subtotal was 23 something, 23 like 40. I submitted to ibotta for $10.50, and then I submitted to Fetch Rewards for $1,000, making everything, I can't do the math, sorry guys. Good savings. Obviously I need to use those Lysol wipes and sanitize everything because I've been sick. I don't need my boyfriend to be sick because that would be a disaster, but to save over 50% on those Lysol products that's a phenomenal deal in my opinion. That may not be everyone's stock-up price, but I think that's a really good deal for those. Yeah, anyway guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.